What's up guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification bell. And I'm going to be showing you what's in this mystery egg, slime egg. I got this on my birthday. There is pink slime. Let's try and see how it is. This one's good slime. Pink, jiggly slime. Jiggly, jiggly. Let's move on to the next one. And comment which one is your favorite. Let's put the lid on. Next slime is this blue slime. It's also jiggly slime. They're also good slimes, but you can comment which one's yours. It's also good, very good slime. You can't make bubbles. Let's move on to the next one now. Next one, I'm just picking random actually. Oh, silver slime. Silver slime's also good. Comment what your favorite color is. My favorite is pink. The pink one, I think it's my favorite, but there are more pink ones. That's the only hint I'll give you. Slime. Let me try making a bubble with it, but I don't think it really rips. Other slimes can make it. The ones that Let's move on to another random one. Gold slime. I can't open this slime. I'm going to ask my mom to help me. I'll be back in a sec. So my mom's opening the slime until we're just going to move on to the next one, or we should just wait. Waiting. And remember what I said. Comment. If you don't comment, what will happen? Okay. So, I love this slime. It's glitter. It's gold slime with glitter, and it's also clear. Clear gold slime. I really love this slime. If you like the gold, comment. Comment. Okay, this one is really good. Let's move on to the next one. Next random one. Let's choose this one. Clear slime. My favorite. Yeah, I can't open this one either. Let me ask my mom. I'll be in a sec. Okay, until let's play with the blue slime again. Jiggly. Okay, clear slime next. I love clear slime. It's my favorite. You can see through it. It's not too hard. It's not too soft. Other ones, not my favorite. Jelly ones were pretty good. These ones, kind of hard, but this one, oh, It's perfect. Just perfect for everybody. If you like clear slime, you know what to do. Oh, that's ASMR. Let's move on to the next random slime. Okay. White slime. Okay. If you like white slime, comment that. If you like whatever slime is here, comment that. Other slimes will be pretty good too. Oh, I really like. My two favorite, personally, is clear and white. Pick your two favorites on the comments. Yeah, this is good slime. Not better than the clear slime, but it's pretty good. Let's move on to the next random slime. Orange slime. I love orange slime. It's the prettiest color. And it smells good. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it. Yeah, I like this color. It's not that stretchy, but it stretches a little. It's not really clear. It's more like a Jello slime. But I really like the color. It smells really, really good. I can't stop smelling it. Yeah, this is good slime. Not really like that stretchy, but it's Jello slime. You can still squish it. ASMR. Okay, now let's move on to the next mystery slime. Deep in there. Pink. Pink and pink. This one's glittery. This one's just clear. Not really clear. Mostly gel. It dropped. I got it. Personally, this is my favorite color, so I love it. And look how clear it is. Not as clear as the clear one, but it's really good. If this one would be the clear but not clear, you know, maybe pink clear but like softer. Personally, my favorite. I like these three. Actually, I like a lot of them. I really can't choose. Let's move on. Oh, wait. Oh, right. Ooh, blue glitter. Same. Glitter, jelly. Okay, so this, I love this slime. It's the best. Oh, I cannot say how good it is. If you don't like this, mean. But it's a really, really good slime. It's clear as blue glitter. It's blue. My third favorite color. So I got another random. I'm not peeking. A glowing clear. I guess we're not going to look at it. Again clear. Why do I keep getting clear? Again, clear. Oh, this is so weird. I keep getting clear. Green gilly slime. I also love this one. Look at the color. Look at the color. Look at that. Look at that. Can you guys see my face? Hello. Okay, let's keep going. But I really love this slime. I think these are like together good, and I really like them. Okay, let's keep going now. Let's move on to the next mystery slime from this egg. Mystery egg. Orange slime. These ones are kind of the same. This one's not really jello-y. This one's very jello-y. This one doesn't smell as good as this one. But it's really good. Oh, let me try showing my face through here. See my face? That was funny. Let's move on now. Go with your buddies. Next mystery slime. Purple. Actually, we never got purple yet. I was waiting for this one. Because this is my second favorite color. Oh, let's try showing my face through here. Can you see my eyes? Can you? Can you? I'm not asking you. I'm not asking you. I'm asking you. Let's try this one again. We don't have a lot of slimes actually left. Get deep in there. Oh, this is the slime that I made. I made this slime. This is clay slime. I made clay slime. This is my slime that I made. It's not stretchy, but it feels good. Okay. We're almost done with the slime. We have a few more slimes left. And I'm also going to be showing you glitter. Oh. This is to make iceberg slime. So they're icebergs, you know what I mean? To make iceberg slime. Let's move on to the next mystery thing. I'm going to choose a glitter this time. Ooh, pink glitter. Nice. I could have used it for that one. For other slimes. You know, I could mix a glitter with clear or anyone. It's cool. Look at the color. Wait, let me show it closer. You want me to show you closer? Okay, I got it back. I love the color. Let's put it there. more. Dig in there. Oh! Blue slime. Same. This is not jello-y. This is jello-y. I've been telling you to every kind of same slime. Oh, this one smells like kind of this one. There was a bubble. It's not stretchy. Not even a little stretchy. I love the slime, the colors. I love the color. It's really not just stretchy. It just rips. I love the color. I love how it smells actually. It smells kind of like a little lavender. But not my personal favorite. Let me put it back in. We have a few more. We're going to be showing you paint. Here. Everything that's in here. Pull out mystery. Not a lot of things left actually. Ew. Activator. Okay, there's the activator in it. I'm going to put it on the side. And this glue. I'm going to put it on the side. I use this for another video. Okay. Not a lot of left. Oh, I got these things. Ooh, are they coming out? Oh, yeah, they're coming out. Because they're not closed properly. Well, I used them for a slime, which I made not on a really video, but I made it. Let me go put these away. Okay, so, oops. These are these. See? I can't put them upside down or else they'll spill because there's a crack. Okay, let's keep on going. There's kind of a lot of things left. Not really. Let's choose this. Oh, the page that I was talking about. There is red, orange, see? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, other type of pink, blue, all the type of colors that you need. This color, this lime green color is kind of like this one. Let's move on. I can't show you yet. I'll show you when I come. It's a very, very pretty one. Look how pretty that is. Pink one was pretty, but not that pretty. See, this one doesn't even move. But I love that color. Okay, let's keep on going. Ooh, foam beads. Foam beads for slime. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. I'm just gonna pick whatever. Stars. So let's keep on going. So let's keep on going. These are actually cool. I've never used them actually. They look pretty cool. Put them down. Oh, I used these before. Oops, they come out too. I love them. Yellow glitter, just like the green one. And, of course, I made this slime on another video. You go watch it. Blue and actually orange. orange and blue. Perfect. And wait, there's one more left. Purple. And you can store these, if you make like a slime, you can store them in this. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.